so excited to unbox this with you guys. The new Nama. Where is your bike out? Oh, okay, there's another box in this box. Oh my gosh, the packaging is so pretty. Look at that. Oh, they kind of match. Did you know that? Let's see here. Okay, so let's see what we think. So. Open here. So cute. All right. Let's open it up. Neatly packed. I love it. A warm welcome from Nama. Okay. Gonna have some good. Yeah, that's pretty freaking awesome. So it looks like those are all the pieces. We're gonna go ahead and look right on here. Got your base, chamber set, and quick guide. Oh, yeah.